you want to get the most out of your free version of Canva before you upgrade to Pro, then keep watching, because I'm about to show you 3 smart ways to really maximize the free features in Canva. Whether you use Canva for personal projects or to run a small business, you can still work like a pro without the extra cost. Throughout this video, I'll be showing you a direct comparison between the free and pro version, so you can decide for yourself if working smarter with the free features is more than enough for your needs. Hi, I'm Lou. I make handbags, jewellery and accessories, and I decided to turn my hobby into a small handmade business. And so I know firsthand just how hard it is to get started on a small budget. And that's why I'm sharing all of my tips and tricks to help others get started. Whether you're looking to just start a new hobby yourself or a small business, there's something here for everyone. So if you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button. Now, when it comes to my own Canva designs, I did upgrade to Pro. So this video isn't to discourage you from Pro, but rather to help you use your free features to the fullest before you pay for another online subscription. Because let's face it, any cost saving in today's world is a big win. Right, now let's get started. The background remover, in my opinion, is one of the best Pro features. In fact, it's the reason I upgraded to Pro myself, because I needed it for lots of things, mostly for my YouTube thumbnails. And having your background removed in that one click of a button really works for me. But you can still get great results with the free version, especially when you're working with things like your logo, text and graphics. So let me now show you an example of a logo design combined with a DIY packaging design. With Pro, I can download my logo into an SVG format with a transparent background and drop that straight into my packaging design. I can also change the colour of my logo easily. Now let's look at the free version. I have to use PNG, and also transparent background is a crown icon, which means it's a Pro feature. So here's what you can do instead. You can create multiple versions of your logo design by adding additional pages. And from there, you can change the background or text colour to match your packaging design. You can use the hex code to get an exact colour match. Then just download your logo design with the changes, re-upload to Canva and drop it back into your packaging design, where you can resize it and use layers to blend everything in. Yes, it does involve a few extra steps, but the end result is exactly the same and it's completely free. So if it takes you a little bit longer, but it costs absolutely nothing, then it's definitely worth doing. Now, if you're working with photographs or text and you still need your background removed, there are free background remover apps outside of Canva that you can explore as an alternative. Then you can just upload your file into Canva with the background already removed. Photos are an excellent way of adding beautiful or fun imagery to your Canva designs. And with Pro, there's a ton of choice that comes with it. These images with the crown icon, they just go on and on and on. But the smartest thing that you can do when it comes to photographic imagery is to create your own photo library. You've already got a great camera built into your phone, and with a bit of creative thinking, you can start creating your own personal library. And as the free version of Canva has a feature to add folders in your uploads, you can simply create a folder where you can store your own personal photo library. Now, you do have to bear in mind that there is a data limit for how much you can upload into Canva, so don't go overboard. But creating your own photo library that is uniquely yours is a really smart thing to do. So start taking more photos when you're out and about or just at home. Take snaps of trees, flowers, plants. You can do close-up pictures of gravel, sand, grass, different textures, linen, your morning coffee, the morning sun coming through your window. There's so many different things that you can take pictures of. So if you see something that's really interesting, just take a snap and you can just upload those to your folder in Canva and use them on your designs. Now, the brand kit is a great Pro feature for anyone who's running their own small business and has decided to use Canva for things like logo design, packaging, marketing. It helps keep your brand consistent with things like colours, fonts, graphics and so much more. And so with the Pro feature, having a brand kit keeps everything together in one place, which also helps speed up your design process, making you work a lot more efficiently. But you can create your own mini version of a brand kit using the free features by making good use of things like folders and starring your favorites. Now let's break this down a bit more. We'll look specifically at fonts, colors, logos and graphics. Starting with fonts. It is really important to have consistency with your brand when you're using your fonts, especially when it comes to things like social media, packaging, basically anything that you use to sell or promote your brand. And for most brands, you really only need a maximum of 2 to 3 fonts. Any more than that, and things can start to look a little bit messy and hard to read. With Pro, you can set up your fonts and define them according to their purpose. When it comes to free Canva, you can easily manage your fonts by starring them. Your starred fonts will appear at the top of your font list. So having your fonts at the top will save you lots of time from having to search or remember the name of the font that you previously used. Moving on to colours. With Pro, you can create multiple colour palettes. You can choose from the palettes that are available in Canva, or you can make your own. With the free version of Canva, there is an option to create a colour palette and save up to 3 colours. So if this is enough for your needs, I would suggest just saving the 3 colours, and don't include black or white in the palette because these can easily be selected from here. Okay, let's move on to logos. With Pro, you have easy access to your logo from your brand kit, where you just upload and store your logo file here. But it's also just as simple using your free Canva features. And here's where the good use of folders comes in. Create a folder in your uploads and name it something like My Brand Kit. Within that folder, you can add subfolders. You just create a subfolder in your newly created Brand Kit folder and save your logo design files right here. Okay, now graphics. There are tons of graphics available using both the free and pro versions of Canva. And they are a great addition to your branding, especially if you're using them for things like social media marketing or your packaging. It makes your brand look instantly recognizable. So if you've created a specific design that's using graphics, for Pro, you can save your downloaded designs here under the graphics header. And using your free features, you can do the exact same thing with a folder. In fact, I much prefer this because you can easily save the individual graphics that you use in your design. It keeps everything together in one place. So there you go, Canva Pro is fantastic, and when the time is right, it's well worth the upgrade. But as you can see, you don't necessarily need it straight away. Just work smarter with what you've already got and upgrade when you really feel that you need to. Feel free to check out my playlist for lots of Canva tutorials for packaging, labels, and so much more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.